for you, I have the new Moonshine Mania Comeback Polish for April. This is available on April 29th and will only be available while supplies last. So this shade is called Cheeseburger 2.0, and it is a marigold jelly with a dense red, gold, green shifting shimmer. And it is very similar to the original release, but the shimmer in this one is said to be a bit stronger, which in my opinion is always a good thing. I'm so sorry about the thunder in the background. Um, but this one is releasing on April 29th and will be available until the polish sells out. And this polish is going to be $12, available on the Moonshine Mania website. And of course, I will have that linked down in the description box below. But I think that covers everything for this video. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And I will talk to you guys very soon in another new video. Bye!